Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review on this cat wheel exerciser. It is for indoors and it measures about 43.3 inches. As you can see that it rolls very easily and it is very durable. It looks like it's going to last a long time. If you can look right there, that's where the track is. And it does smoothly go as you spin it. I'm going to get Spider in this wheel and show you how much he likes it. Now they do have training that they do suggest that you do while you're training your cat to use it, but Tiger pretty much likes it. I have to get it started for him, and all the dogs actually always want to go check out what he's doing. You can tell that the carpet goes all the way through, so the little paws won't get stuck in anything. And he is moving it just a little bit. He's going to stretch out for me. You can see how they could even maybe stretch out and scratch it a little bit, and it's going to be very durable because of the great carpet that they use. It was super simple to put this together. Spider enjoys it, and I know he's going to get the hang of it, and this is going to work out great for him. He loves the exercise, and this is going to get him moving.